Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jermaine from Ivanka Global. We are back again. We have got here 4 booster packs of Obsidian Flames, Scarlet and Violet. We're going to get into these. I might open them all up and then... Okay, these are the 4 packs we got, and we did get the Zard, which I'm going to leave there because we are chasing the Zard, the big crystal bad boy. The gold or the normal coloured one, which I'll pop it up. Yeah, let's open. We'll start with this bad boy. Go. Oh, these open good. They actually feel quite fat. Could be a good thing. Code card. And they're all individual too. One from the back. SV. Fire. Oh, Psychic. Timpole. Heatmore. More heat. Toxel. Lillipup. Toad Scroll. Soul Rock. Doug Trio. The OG. Dolive. Reverse. Palpitoad. Reverse. Palafin. Hollow. Not bad. First pack down. 3 to go. Which one? This feels heavier. There's a tag or something underneath this hat. The OG 2016. When LeBron got it done for him. Wasn't very happy, but sick hat. Here we go. Code card. One from the back. I'm going to say electric. No. Steenie. Whooper. Baltoy. Kavana na na na. Excadrill. Pidgeotto. Nice. Oh, Dragonair. Nice. Fungus. Bronzor. Oh, Claydol. Alright, what is that? Fungus. Fungus. Pack 2. Tirana to pack 2. It's just nothing so far. It's been 0. A bit disappointing. Expecting back-to-back hits here. Alright, here we go. Code card, let's go. One from the back. We'll go fire. Oh, yes. Here we go. Let's focus. Rockruff. Rockruff. What the fuck? Wiglet. What is going on here? Rockruff. Is that a God Rockruff pack? Salazzle. If I get another Rockruff, I'm writing to Pokemon. Oinkalong. Dartrix. I'm scared. Oh, Umbreon. Not bad. Come on, baby. Adino. Entei. Fucking Entei. This is a joke or what? Seriously. What? Entei. I mean Rockruff. Rock. Hey, I love Pokemon. I'm gonna send that video to someone. I'm gonna try and track someone down. I want my booster pack back. 3 Rockruffs in 1 pack. Now for the Zard. Let's do it. Come on, man. Come on. Give me something. Code card. Let's go. One from the back. I'm going to say fire. No. Basic. Oh, Charmander. It's a sign. Oh, Dratini. Oddish. Swablu. These are good. Diggersby. Solrock. Houndoom. Houndoom. Reverse. Is it? So a squizzer. Yeah. Houndoom and Houndoom reverse. Togepi. What is it? Oh, what is that? A Houndstone again? Oh, yay. If anyone wants to trade me for one of my Houndstones, please reach out in the comments. Guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. That was entertaining for me. Bye.